Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably and take a moment to settle in. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and let it gently fall out through your mouth. Again, breathe in and release. Feel the ground supporting you. Let your body know it's safe to soften. Now bring your awareness to the word expectations. Not the pressure of someone else's, not the weight of what you should be, but simply the patterns that were taught early. As you breathe, ask yourself softly, what did my childhood feel like? Did I feel safe to dream out loud? Was love offered freely? Or perhaps only when I performed? Were all my emotions welcome? Or only certain emotions? Let whatever arises come forward. There is no need to push or analyze. Simply notice. You might see an image, might feel sensations. You might hear a memory in words spoken. Whatever comes, allow it to be here without judgment. What expectations were taught early on? What did my childhood feel like? Was I safe to dream? Was I loved freely? Were all my emotions welcome? Breathe in, breathe out. Now in your mind, imagine those expectations as lines of code written quietly beneath your choices. They've been guiding you, sometimes with love and sometimes with limitation. Just by noticing them, you begin to see that this code, just like any code, can be rewritten. Place a hand gently over your heart. Allow a gentle smile to lift the corners of your lips. Whisper inwardly to yourself, I am worthy of receiving. It is safe for me to shine. I am enough, just as I am. Let those words land. You've likely heard them before, but now feel them ripple through your body like light touching each cell. And picture that code in your mind again being rewritten. Take one more deep breath in and then exhale slowly. Rest in the knowing that this work is not about blame. It's just about honesty. And honesty is the beginning of freedom. Anytime that you feel stuck, anytime you feel as if you are an imposter, bring your mind back to the code running behind the scenes. Smile. Allow yourself to rewrite if necessary. And when you're ready, Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. Carry this with you. You're allowed to expect more. Because you are enough. And you can always rewrite your code.